Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you all. We are around the world.
We are British Recovery.
And we are Wrong Design, Wrong Code.
Our Superteam theme for this performance is the processing of environmentally friendly rocket fuel. This shows our hopeful version of a cleaner and better future.
It also highlights the long process of supply lines that many people have only just realised exist with the shortages in the COVID pandemic. We also include disinfection processes, as this will likely remain for many years to come. Our transition object is a box containing fuel and our Superteam logo.
We used like to share ideas and met on Zoom to further discuss plans. First, we decided to load the fuel from long design long codes using their robotic arms. British Recovery's builder carries the fuel box to around the world's rocket, which will launch at the end of the performance. It took time to decide what the object to carry was, but we agreed to use long design long cause ideas of environmentally friendly rocket fuels.
So now I will do the technology introduction for our team. During the process, we disassembled our robots and reformed them for our Superteam performance. We're in charge of making and transporting the fuels, which include hydrogen and oxygen, to the next group. We rebuilt our robot by using 3D printer, and we use the flexible LED board, which is come from transforming warriors. And this car consists of baseboard and the controllers from the spiders. We also use the claws from the spider to make the robotic arms. We also made the new music to play in the background.
We used rebuild to robots on the truck. The shape of the British builder's grab was changed to hold a dish on the box. The house robot was rebuilt to become the factory of fuel, which is where it will be transported to. Fuel bottles will be taken from the factory, and we have made them glow with LEDs in this performance.
The terracotta warrior's body and costume was redesigned, and the robots were made to carry fuel with Velcro and servo recoding. Max the truck was rebranded to become a clean energy supplier, and it uses its pixie cam to follow the rocket.
For the rocket, we quickly made a function to more efficiently code the LED screen. We did this because we didn't have the time to hard code the new images we added for our environmental theme.
We had a meeting online and we talked about the technology for each team. Then we in-depth exchange for our technology videos. Sometimes there were misunderstandings between us. So most of the time we draw pictures or diagrams to communicate. And we use UTC time instead of using time in China. Then our group learned the structure of the robotic arm from British Recovery and the structure of the car from around the world. The combination of the thought and the technology built up this perfect performance.
As 3 different teams, we have learned many technical skills, including the robotic arm from Bridge Recovery, the functionality of the EV3 robots, and the different things that they could build from this was impressive.
For Wrong Design, Wrong Code, they used the motor's PWM frequencies to make music. This team also used the ability to connect the robots together and their use of image recognition to faces and 8-ball tags. These new skills will help us for our future robots.
Thank you, and we all hope you
Yeah,
Our performance.
We are committed to creating clean rocket energy to help humans explore the unknown universe. This is a rocket fuel manufacturing and hydrogen and oxygen fuel is powerful and environment friendly. What is the new trend of the rocket fuel development in the future? We fill the fuel tank with high-pressure liquid, hydrogen and oxygen, respectively, and store them in the fuel tank. And then, the solar energy can supply the air-ground car to transport the fuel to the next destination.